huge.
Welcome back to Do It at a Dime with Kathryn. You know how excited I get about the dollar store, which is why today I'm sharing with you 16 genius tricks you've got to try. Super creative ideas. First up, we're doing my favorite organizing project of the fall, and you can get the supplies from the automotive section, and this is something they actually have in stock. You get these 5 hooks and screws for $1. Check this out. I have long championed these utility hooks, but recently on Facebook, a viewer commented this picture because she couldn't find some other hooks I showed, and I got so inspired. This community always does that. I distressed an old board that I had, and I actually spray painted these utility hooks. The first I did in a gold, and the second I did in a matte black. Then I installed them onto the board. And a trick is to spray a little bit of spray paint into a cup, and then you can paint right over the screws to conceal them. I think my favorite one was this stained board and the black hooks. I ended up hanging this in our bedroom using a hanging mechanism I also got from the Dollar Tree, and this looks stunning. They also have these brand new containers. I love the quality and the size. You can get high quality containers from the Dollar Tree, and these are bins you'd actually want to put out. I know it is early for Halloween, but this is a really good time to come and pick up these items. I love all of the Dia de los Muertos that they have here. They've got La Catrina. I'm going to show you the easiest DIY wreath. And you know what you need? A hula hoop. I bet you have one at home that your kids probably don't use. Remove the decorative tape from your hula hoop. This is really easy. And I gave mine a quick coat of the same black spray paint. Then you want to slip some pool noodles over top and reconnect your hoop. This is my assistant Carson. He is helping me get all of the stuff we got. You could do this for any holiday, but the great thing is the pool noodle takes these picks so beautifully and they actually stay inside. The easiest wreath you'll ever make.
Oh, this looks cool.
Yeah, it does. Look at this, they even have little dogs and cats. They have these gorgeous La Catrina signs, and they are $5. You could decorate an entire front porch with one theme for $25. That's exactly what we did.
Full disclosure, this thing is really loud, but it is really cool.
Of course, I had to make a fall wreath too. There was an old hula hoop in our garage that was a little beat up. I took some more of the same gold spray paint and I only spray painted the side that was going to show. And then I headed back to store. Some of you are saying your Dollar Tree wasn't stocked for fall yet, so it comes in a few waves. They finally got these velvet pumpkins into my store. These are only $1 a piece. And so absolutely stunning. I love the gray. They also got these little give thanks pillows. Adorable. This little welcome fall sign is new. That's so cute. I love the fall foliage this year. Pick one type to add to the pool noodle, and I was so glad I found those velvet pumpkins. This is the perfect wreath for our stairwell, and it is so big. Let me know in the comments down below what colors you would make yours. Every single year they have these pumpkins and I love them so much. Take an old sweater and you can put this over the top. This makes the cutest fall decor in literally 5 minutes. This is also such a great way to upcycle favorite old sweaters or sentimental items too. Crafters Square, they have family and welcome signs. That's pretty. I love foam core poster board, and this is gonna be really great for quick DIYs. Foam core board that's painted and distressed with paint makes a great backdrop for some of your smaller wreaths. Shiplap on a dime. Maybe you're like us and you don't decorate that much for Halloween. There's still a few things I would highly recommend. There's a really cute little hand soap dispenser. It makes it kind of fun for the kids. And even a haunted house cookie kit. This is the kind of stuff I love to do with my kids. And they have these mini $1 sparkly trees. I bet we could do a fun terrarium activity. This jar is just filled with inexpensive Epsom salt, and I'll be able to use it for Christmas too. Add those sparkly trees, some little houses. This is so fast and easy and so beautiful.
If you like decorating but you don't like decorating, come to the card section and get something for the season and then put it in a dollar store frame. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. When you're in the clothing section, it's that time of year again. Grab these extra large bags. This actually comes with 3. This is perfect for your seasonal decor and all of those items that you start to get out, and you can actually see what's inside. Oh, look, they have fun stuff over here. Okay, this is the type of stuff I like to pick up right now because during Christmas time, it's going to sell out. These adorable little slipper socks. They have them in plaid and they even have them in cheetah. How fun is this?
A long favorite of my channel is rolling up these socks, adding a rubber band, and then wrapping around with cellophane paper. What a great gift idea for the upcoming season.
This is the straight truth. When you're in Dollar Tree, you've got to come down every aisle because you will find crazy high-end name brands. Look at this. This is a Casemate waterfall phone case. This has an estimated retail of $30. $30! This is gonna speak to the nostalgia in some of you. They have KABOODLES. Do you guys remember KABOODLES? Leave me a comment down below if you had one of these. I love that they have one for only $1. The book section in August at Dollar Tree is always awesome. Shout out to a viewer, Nicole, that I just ran into. She pointed me in this direction. They have tons of $15 books for $1. Some of these books retail for $45 and $50, no joke, for $1. If you didn't know, Dollar Tree actually has a clearance section, so you can find name brand things like Rubbermaid for 50 cents. This is a mop for 50 cents. Lots of people use these for DIYs. We have genuinely loved all of these crafts around our house, and I want to end this with a funny story. So if you've been following us for any length of time, you know the Sneerly family does not have a good track record when it comes to gingerbread houses.
What was our expectation?
This, but now I end up with this.
But what I love about the Dollar Tree one is it has interlocking sides, so we were able to make it work. We had so much fun.
We made it.
What do you think?
Can I eat these?
Finally, one that even we can do. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave it a big thumbs up. That helps me out so much and lets me know you want more content just like this. If nobody has told you today, you, my friend, are enough, even when your gingerbread houses aren't. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
This one's not falling, at least that's good. This one's not falling, at least that's good.
Yes, I'm glad you see the positive in this.
At least this house is not falling. Oh no.
We...
I'll catch it.